Ala, nag-una akong Christmas light, Ate Jem. See? Huh? I need to buy more. Just trying only this time. Nakapasko na ko on. Anak ko Christmas light. Kaya gusto ko magsiga-siga diri sa kuang likod. O, diba? Ha? Put gamay? Yes. Put gamay daw. Okay. Naka-Christmas light na ko. Nakataot na ko diri Christmas light. Oh. Pero isa ra nakabuka ko ang gipalit. Dugangan ako na siya kay para na magsiga-siga sa akong gawas. Ala, Christmas na ko dire. Ma'am Jod. Mag-Christmas light naman ko, everyone. Uy, ang bina-day. Ay, saan mo nito? Help me, Lords. Saan mo nito? Mo katawa raman, di man matabang.
Yeah, man.
What's ha?
Oh. Just want to stay there.
It should be goes like this here. So I can go directly. I will turn there.
Well, you can turn again.
Huh?
You turn ba?
Mang Jod.
Bring it this way, no? Around like that.
I will go there. Come, Mang, hold it, Mang. Bring it here. Hold that one, Hoy.
Mang.
Okay, come here. Make sure, hold it properly. Kay mo broken.
Kita naman ko na. Oh!
Ay, naku si Dave. Mamang, di ka rin nakapag. Come here. Follow.
Dave's favorite word is mang. Mang!
I'm talking to Kati. Hindi, Mang.